Hello everyone and welcome to today's webinar on shock. So you may be asking, what even exactly is shock? When blood flow is significantly reduced, the body does not receive adequate supply of oxygen and shock occurs. Victims experiencing shock may lose consciousness or fail to respond. Shock can be caused by overwhelming infection, blood loss, severe allergic reaction, severe dehydration, and heart problems. Signs and symptoms include poor skin color that is pale, gray, or bluish, dizziness and lightheadedness, nausea or vomiting, behavior change such as agitation, confusion, or unresponsiveness, and clammy skin. To help someone in shock, activate the emergency response system by calling 911. Help the person lie down and elevate their legs. Cover the person with blankets to keep them warm. Be prepared to perform CPR. And stay with the person until further help arrives. Don't forget, online CPR certification is available on our site. You can find a link in the description. We encourage you to become certified as soon as possible, whether that be in a classroom or on your own time with an online course. So thank you so much for tuning into today's webinar. We will catch you the next time.